Okay, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a person who impressed you the most when you were in primary school. So, please.
In my childhood, when I was in primary school, I have studied in APS school. There are a lot of events organized in every month or after a week. So there I met many persons, and including teachers, army officers, and different person. So one of the person who impressed me a lot, and I still remember, he was our sports teacher, whose name is PT Mahmood. He he trained us during our sports lesson in every week. So he was very strict in discipline matter, and he don't tolerate on
He didn't
he
tolerate.
didn't tolerate on discipline issues. He rather he was strict. He was also friendly with students, and he he tried to emerge with students during the sports lessons.
Okay,
Yes.
all right. Just try to speak fluently. Write down some ideas.
Yeah.
And when you are speaking, your ideas should be in front of you on piece of paper, and the topic which is given, that should be in front of you. Don't try to ignore the topic, otherwise after few seconds you'll be blank, and then you don't know what the topic is and all that.
Yes.
Okay? So make some notes, keep the notes in front of you and the topic, and take a look at the topic and speak. Now, let's move on. Speaking part 3. Why do people always miss their childhood?
Yes, there is plenty of movements that our children enjoy in their childhood, and some of them can't be ignored for a long time, and the movement that have a joy in their life, and they still remember.
Okay,
And
so that is why children miss their childhood. Whatever you say, link it with childhood.
Yes.
Right? For example, there are many happy moments which are related to childhood, and children remember such type of moments throughout their life. That is why they miss their childhood. On the other hand, childhood is the time when you enjoy your life the most. You have no worries, your life is carefree. That is why most of the young people, including children, they think about their past life.
Yes.
Okay, like this.
Okay.
All right, thank you.